So the new car show in the north of Toronto. Let's see what we're gonna have today. Chevy. Chevy again. What an engine, guys. Unreal. I like it. Chevy again.
I don't know. I feel like it comes like that because I feel like I've seen it.
Oh, wow.
And you lay there. You like lie back.
This is a Porsche. No, Lamborghini. What a car. Cool. Ferrari. 79 год. Okay. This. Oh, what that car. Okay, so let's see what else do they have. Small one. Old one. Corvette Chevy. Pontiac. Ooh. What an old boy. Uh-huh. I want to have one. Looks like a James Bond. Audi Heli. Okay. Unbelievable. Ah, wonderful. Corvette. Oh my goodness. What the quality, what's the conditions. Oh.
Everybody keeps telling us there's nothing classic, I picked up.
What's this? Corvette.
Buses.
Wow, gorgeous. This is 160 kilometers per hour. What a joke. Why is that?
I think we got one more.
You get it all mixed up.
Alright. Fruit. Okay. What's the mileage? 600. So it's a 500,000. Полмиллиона проехало километров.
Okay.
Jaguar. Okay.
Haven't already bought a ticket, get down to our registration desk, please. Thank you.
Thriller. 7 o'clock, they
Oh.
do a 50-50 draws and they go around and around.
So it's gonna be the best car of the week or of the month,
Just for the week.
just a week. So it's every week show.
Yeah.
Beautiful, thank you.
അതെല്ലാമാ
What the? Beautifully done, huh? Oh wow! Is it truck of the choice? This one is the truck of the year, truck of the choice
Yes, truck of the night.
of the night, tonight. So it's the best car.
Not the best.
Uh-huh.
It's the choice of 3.
Choice of 3. Okay, one of the 3. I would give the first one to this,
Thank you.
especially for the color. Thank you.